Hey guys, it's Beardo back again from White Rock Dodge, and we just finished putting Fluffy, Canada's first Gladiator 392, through its paces off-road. How did it do? It did awesome. But that's not what this video is about. What this video is about is the suspension components that come included with this truck. So this truck was built by Epic Adventure Outfitters, and they started off with the tried and true 3.5-inch TerraFlex suspension kit. That comes with the springs, which lifts us up, and with adjustable Falcon shocks, 3.3s, which are awesome. I have them set to 1 right now, and on the drive-in, it was comfortable as all hell. Okay, so for wheels and tires, they went with Fuel 17-inch wheels and wrapped them in Mickey Thompson Baja Boss ATs. Now these tires come with the snowflake symbol, which means it's perfect for British Columbia. Now the axles have also been upgraded. Well, re-geared. The Mojave comes originally with 410 gearing. We've upgraded that to 465. Now with the 392 motor in there, these axles seem to perform really, really well off-road so far, especially when you lock the rear and do a burnout. So not just the shocks, but we've also gone and gotten the TerraFlex Alpine IR independent rotation control arms, front and back, and these perform excellently as you would expect. Now if you want any more information on America's most wanted 4x4 engine swaps with White Rock Dodge and Epic Adventure Outfitters, click the link below. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.